This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M15 smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M15 5G Prime Edition is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a blend of modern features and reliable performance. And it supports 5G connectivity. It has a vibrant display and long-lasting battery life. Now we will see the key features. First one is display. This smartphone has 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with 90 Hz refresh rate, which ensure smooth visuals. Second one is processor. Processor is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus chipset for efficient multitasking. Third one is camera. This smartphone has triple rear setup with 50 MP main sensor, 5 MP ultra wide lens, and 2 MP macro lens, and 13 MP front camera for selfies. This smartphone has 6000 mAh battery capacity and it is designed to last up to 2 days on a single charge, and it supports 25-watt fast charging. This smartphone has Android 14 operating system and One UI 6 with promises of 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. This smartphone support 5G connectivity and it allows for faster internet speed when available. This smartphone comes with 4 GB, 6 GB or 8 GB RAM paired with 128 GB internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via micro SD card. And here you can see the measurement, and weight is 217 grams. In case of connectivity, this smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and also it includes USB Type-C port. And this smartphone has side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and various sensors like accelerometer and gyroscope. Pros of this smartphone. First point is vibrant display. The Super AMOLED screen offers rich colors and deep contrast, which enhance viewing experience. Next point is long battery life. The 6000 mAh battery ensures extended usage, which is suitable for heavy users. Next point is future proofing. Commitment to multi years of software and security update ensure longevity. Next point is affordable 5G. This smartphone provides 5G connectivity at a competitive price point. Cons of this smartphone. Charging adapter is not included, so you have to purchase separately. The plastic construction may not feel as premium as metal or glass alternatives. Users must choose between a second SIM card or a micro SD card, which limits dual SIM functionality with expanded storage. No IP rating, which means lacks of official water or dust resistant certification. This smartphone has a basic processor and it is not ideal for heavy gaming or multitasking. Now we will see what is the customer feedback. Users have praised the device for its impressive display quality and battery endurance. The camera performance, especially 50 MP main sensor, has received positive remarks. However, some users noted the plastic build and hybrid SIM slot as minor drawbacks. In India, the price ranges between 10,999 to 13,499, and in US the price ranges between $135 to $170.